This is professional type. Here shows high and mid. It holds type trees. Click it into page holds brand or card. We can be save many holes and crimping size in system. At brand page, click a brand into host size page. There are 12 sizes in one page. For example, 6:1 main host 86mm of one less vibrate. Click 19 to 2. The system prompts us change 30 hash dice. Click Start, then push Close Dice button. The dice is running. When it is stopped, we can be use Change Dice tool to hold the dice. One hand grabs the tool, another hand to push Open Dice button. When the dice leave dice seat, remove dice, and then pick up new 30 hash dice to install in dice seat. One hand hold dice tool, let the dice scroll to alignment or hole. Another hand to push Close Dice button. When the dice seat stop running, let us remove Change Dice tool, and then click Done. It will show us we choose host type at here. Here shows dice number 30 hash, and set up crimp size 3.5. Its mean crimp size is 33.5 mm. 30 plus 3.5 equals 33.5. It is job mode. We can test crimp once. If we need change crimp size, click button. Change 3.5 to 3.0. Crimp size is 33 mm. It is correct size right now. We can click File button to save the set data. 1922 item shows dice number 30 hash, crimp size 3.0. If we want to modify brand name, we should return main page. Click host type to enter choose page, and click brand. After that, touch brand name. It shows name text. Click choose read language and letters. Enter host name. When we have finished entering brand or host name information, click OK. After that, we must choose the data and click Done button. Finally, click File button to save set data. We can see the data we just set here. Compensation function is used for large size and more than 4S holes. We choose 25 to for 2 demonstration operation. It should use 39 hash dice. Click Done. Dice is 39. Crimp size 3.5. We will get crimp size 40 to 0.5 mm. Normally it should crimp to 40 mm. Let us modify crimp size to 3.0. But the wool has about 0.5 mm expand. So we should set up plus, wooden, enter minus 0.3. This data depends on the final effect of the holes being crimped. And then click Done button. 39 plus 3.0 to 0.3 equals 41.7 mm. The crimp size is 41.7, so we will get crimped 40 mm. We can be modify the delay time at here. 50 is 5 seconds. Counting function. We can set up
目前是点动模式，这个是联动模式。
Reference manual element choice, continuous working mode or engine mode.
脚踏模
In
式
daily work, we recommend using the
也是
yellow
按一下动的，
for operation. Jog mode is hold button. The die is running. Release
随时
button
可停。
dice.
后退的过程当中按一
Continuous
下，
press
随时
close
可停。
button. The dice will crimp to set size after release stop. It used to crimp any quantity the same size
联动模式，
and type holes. Pedal similar
自动扣压到位
continuous learning box.
延时5秒，
And to hold
自动
holes,
退伍。
we can use our finger step to swing.